The trees are blooming outside. It's super nice out. And I'm gonna force myself. I'm going to force myself to go outside today. You know, I tried to go outside yesterday and then I just got scared and sat in my car. And that wasn't really the best thing to do. Today we're gonna do it. The trees are blooming, everything's looking pretty, and it's supposed to be super duper nice. Ooh, there's this one really cool like city park. I just went on a run. This is your sign to go out on that little jog. Hey, you don't have to go for long. You don't have to even run the whole time. You can walk like most of the time if you want. If you don't want to go on a run, you don't have to. Just open up all the windows in your place. I swear. That muggy feeling of your apartment, you don't even realize if you're sitting in it for too long. But as soon as you open up all the windows, fresh air starts flowing in and it just feels relaxing. My first time ever wearing these out in public. To the grocery store. Worst decision. Don't wear a cute outfit to the grocery store, because the second I walked in that door, this man goes, and he just sang that and looked at me. Oh, I should bring sunnies. See, the thing about sunnies is it makes it so much better just to peace out. Like, nobody's looking at me. I'm not looking at anybody. Sweet, I got all ready and I'm ready to go. Going to the park. Do you guys know what my dream has been? To take a picture in front of a log stack. Are you kidding me? Ah, let's go do it. Hey, how's it going? What you doing? I was so nervous to come out here. I was actually pretty scared. I don't know why. I kept making up a bunch of excuses and not actually coming out here. Like, I made myself some fruit in case if I wanted fruit. And then I got myself a water, which I left it in my car. Pacing the house, grabbing anything last minute, and just thinking if I needed to do anything else. It took away from the fact that I wanted to go outside and enjoy this. But I was so scared that, like, walking and going to find a spot to sit. I truly am starting to realize anxiety and what it is And it really is just you overwhelm yourself with so many different scenarios, a checklist before you leave the house, and you were just like going over your checklist 100 times and overwhelming yourself and adding more things to the checklist and like running around after you like packed your bag and you're all ready to go out on a little hike. You're still like, oh, maybe I should go pee real quick. Oh, maybe I should brush my teeth again. Maybe I should make myself a little sandwich, something to eat before I go. And then I just kept on doing that. Oh, I gotta brush my teeth again. I just ate a sandwich. But I made it. Let me know if you've gone to a park in the area you live in which you've never really been at that park before. It's your first time. Let me know. Did you enjoy it? Do you go there a lot more now? The last town I lived in was so small, but it had a bunch of like spots that you could go and sit out and do things like this, and I would do them all the time by the beach, in the woods. Now that I'm living in a new town, it's so hard to figure out where's the spots, what's the spots and what's good. Don't come pissing next to my pissing spot. Anyways, I'm just rewriting things in marker